Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this really simple but really pretty glam makeup. It looks like you put in a lot of time, but you know, it doesn't take long at all. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you turn your post notifications because I am going to be uploading every single day of July until my birthday, which is July 21st. So I'm going to be uploading from July 1st to July 21st, 21 videos, and you don't want to miss it. So subscribe and turn on your notifications. If you like this makeup look, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Ignore how red my face is. I just washed it and it looks really red. I'm gonna start out by priming with my Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth. And I'm just gonna put that everywhere. Mostly in the center of my face. I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Medium. This is literally my favorite stuff ever. I'm first just applying it with a brush. And then I'll be going over it with my Beauty Blender. I love this CC cream too because like it's not bad for your skin. Like when you, I don't know, like you could wear it all day and it like won't break you out. Like I have never broken out from this. This is from my cat, by the way. It's not a pimple. I'm going to be concealing using my NARS concealer. You know, these dark circles cannot stay. And I just can't get rid of them any other way. I rhymed. That pimple needs to leave too. And then just gonna blend it with my Beauty Blender. I'm just gonna use my Kat Von D translucent powder to set that concealer and the rest of my face. And then I'm going to be using my Anastasia contour kit and taking this yellow shade just to try to get rid of these circles a little more. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil because I don't need anything else because it works for me, so why would I need to? I had this pimple right here for like probably a freaking month now. It won't go away. I'm gonna use my Tarte blush. Tiny bit. We all know I don't like blush. I'm gonna take some of the shade Fawn from my Anastasia. What's left of it. Anyway, look at it. I need to get a new one. Oh, and I'm just contouring my jawline and my cheeks a little bit. Today's look is gonna be really simple, but it's gonna look like you put like a lot of time into it. So I'm going to be taking my Carli Bybel palette, but you can use literally any palette that has brown shades in it. I'm just going to be using browns today. So I'm going to be taking this like warm orangey brown shade right here and putting that into my crease. And then I'm going to be taking this brown one right here. It's more cool toned and a little darker. And I'm going to be putting that like deeper into my crease. I'm just going to take a little bit of my concealer again and I'm just going to like cut my crease. And then I'm just going to be taking a cream shade from the Carli Bybel palette, just this one here, and setting that. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Glam Rock, and I'm just going to be putting a line right where the crease is cut. Okay, and then on my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking those 2 brown shades I put in my crease and just smoking out my lower lash line. Next, I'm just going to be highlighting my face, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like a pinky rose gold. Okay, I don't know if I want to put on lashes or not, or just mascara. Okay, I'm gonna go fill in my eyebrows, put on mascara, and maybe put on lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I decided to put lashes on. I also just put this Rosy Lips Vaseline on my lips. It just adds a little bit of color and like a shine. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this look off with some setting spray, and that'll be it. Okay, and that is it for this makeup look. It's really simple, but it's super pretty, and it looks like you put in a lot of time, which, you know, we didn't. So yeah, if you like this makeup look, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notification bells, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.